Exercise 20. It's an exercise that involves probabilities. Ahmed has 5 red pens and B blue pens in his bag. And these are the only pens in his bag. I always like to visualize such exercises. So let's create here a bag. He has 5 red and he has B blue pens. He selects a pen at random from his bag. Which of the following gives the probability that Ahmed will select a blue pen? So the probability of selecting a blue pen would be defined as the quotient of all possible blue pens. How many blue pens does he have in his bag? He has B blue pens. B stands for a number. So B over all possible pens in his bag. Since he has 5 red and B blue pens, then overall he has 5 plus B. So 5 plus B, and we need B out of these 5 plus B. And this makes, let's see, A the right answer for this exercise.